Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I should have folded this before I came on here, but no, how did I do that? Okay, today we are going over the February Boxy Charm Premium. This box is gigantic. It had so many lovely products. Mine was very heavy. I don't know the weight. My box doesn't ever say the weight, but I will go ahead and let you guys know when I go over the actual pamphlet what number I had. So, just kidding. There's no little version. I guess Boxy Charm Premium is the same, maybe? I don't know. Alright, let's go ahead and go over what I got in this month's box. If you guys are unaware, Boxy Premium is a $35 a month service on top of the normal $25 a month box for the regular Boxycharm, and you get 6 to 7 full-size products. I'm on their website right now. I'm not exactly sure how much the box is worth. It says Boxy Luxe is $275, so I'm assuming Boxy Premium is probably $250. I hope that's right. But let's go ahead and go over this month's box. So this is Boxycharm Adore. That's the theme. If you guys are unaware, I unbox first in the first section of the video, and I just go over the products. In the second half of the video, I actually tell you what I think about them and do like a mini review, just so I don't spoil it for everyone. So if you guys want to see what I thought about each product, then you guys can go over to my try-on portion. So the first thing is the Karity Picante palette. So this is 21 perfectly pigmented shades and multiple finishes that are as warm as a summer night, packed with hot fiery shades, sure to create endless looks, perfect for day to night. This is $29. Now this, I apologize. I'm just going to go ahead and say that now. I apologize for the try-on portion. You guys will see. If anyone knows me, they know I'm a perfectionist, and this is not perfection, so just prepare yourself, and I'm sorry in advance. But that is what the palette looks like. It is very beautiful, warm tone shades. Now, this, I did not do this in the try-on, but let me just show you guys some like similar colors that probably could have been mixed with a different color. Like if you were to put something else in that spot, it would have added more to it. Maybe instead of this color, added a really bright purple, like a very sparkly, you know, shimmer light purple, because this color and this color are basically the same. I don't think there was a need for both of those, because as you blend each one out, they look exactly the same. And that is Spicy and Flamenco. Also, these two right here, I think you could have done without one or the other. Probably on this top row here, these are also very, very similar, like really similar. And I think a really light transition shade would have been perfect instead of this one. Because this is kind of like a butter color. And I mean, it's fine. I really like a super light transition shade in a palette, and this one is lacking a super light transition shade. So I think I would have swapped that out. Moving on to Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So that is right here. And this is $28. And this is actually the third Watermelon Glow Recipe product that I've gotten so far in Boxycharm. So I'm really excited to grow this collection because I think they smell absolutely amazing. Next is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. And this is a full size, and it's dirty. And this is $40. So here's the blush on my cheek. It's stunning. Hourglass is not super pigmented with any of their powder products. They're supposed to be very like skin-like and natural, soft amounts of color, but this blush is so me. This is like my color. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look, it's just the most beautiful peachy coral salmon colored blush. I don't think blush should be salmon colored to describe it. It is, like, it's so beautiful. I am in love with Hourglass powder products. I own quite a few of them, and they are my favorite things in my makeup collection. The next is, I think it's Faccia, which, by the way, fascia is a medical term for the stuff that surrounds your muscles. So I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but Faccia skincare is not the kind of skincare that I would want. And this is their 24 Gold Foil Moisturizer, and this is $100. Now, I do show this in the try-on section, but look how gorgeous this packaging is, you guys. Okay, if any of you are new to my channel, I love product photography. I will go ahead and pop my Instagram up above so you guys can check my Instagram out. I love doing product photography, and this is getting photographed. This is exquisite. It's so beautiful. Now, I mean, I don't know like the benefits of it because I've only worn it this one time, but the packaging is exquisite. It's so beautiful, you guys. You guys will see it on the try-on portion and what I thought of it, but it's such a beautiful moisturizer. I can't wait to keep using it to see if it actually works. The next is Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer, and this is $30. Now, I did try this on, and along with the setting mist, you guys, my base, like my actual base, is flawless. I can't find anything wrong with it. It doesn't look as cakey. It doesn't look as dry as it normally does. Did I just find my holy grails of everything today? Because using these three products together made my face look like this, which I think looks absolutely beautiful. It is definitely not wrinkly. It's smooth. It's just, okay, right here, you guys. Boom. The last thing is this Chorus Body Butter, and this is $32. I'm sorry, I have a sun in my eyes. This is gigantic, and it smells lovely. I used it last night before I went to bed and got out of my bath, and my skin was still really nice and soft this morning when I woke up. It is lovely. It's a little bit greasy feeling, but I didn't use it on my hands per se. I just used it on my body, and it was beautiful. And this is bergamot pear. And this is, did I say $32? It's $32. Let me know what you got in your box. I would love to hear, and let me know what you thought of any of these products. And if you have them, and which one was your favorite in my box, let me know that as well. But let's go ahead and try all this stuff on if you guys are interested to see how I did this look. Okay, we don't have brows right now because we're about to put on some moisturizer. So just don't judge my brows, okay, y'all? They grow like down here, and I like to make them come up and out here so it looks like my eyes are lifted, because look how downturned they are. They come like down here. They suck. My eyes just suck. I have to work like 5 times harder than all you blessed eyelid people. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is the first time I've pulled this out of the box. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, this is lovely. I am taking a photo shoot of this. This is so beautiful. Wow, this is really beautiful. Sorry, I take a shot every time I say beautiful. It's like honey. It's got like actual gold flakes. Let me show you the cap to see if you can see them in there. I don't know what this does for your makeup, but you guys can see them on the cap there. Ignore my nails. They're disgusting. So that's on. It's not like, it's a tiny bit tacky still, but now I'm going to add the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Moisturizing Primer. So I have never tried this before. I actually use an e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer, I think that's what it's called, and that is my favorite. This one is a moisturizing primer though, which is excellent because I have really dry skin, especially in the winter. So, Oh my gosh, this smells like summer. It smells like, well, it smells like sunscreen, but like the, you know, the coconutty kind of sunscreen. That's what it smells like. If you guys like that smell, this is exactly what it smells like. I'm not like rubbing this primer in. I normally kind of tap my primers on. I don't really rub them in. It says it's supposed to help smooth my base. So what I'm gonna do now, because I actually do my base after my eyes, I am going to do my eyebrows and come back on, and we are going to do a look with the Picante palette by Karity. I'm just coming in here real quick. I had the same issue with this side as well. It's like there's a spot right here where I can't lay down pigment at all. It's like it's just empty and void of eyeshadow, and no matter what I do, I can't put eyeshadow on this one little spot here on my brow bone. Also, when I try and blend these out, there is like, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so cloudy out today. It's so dark. There is like a line right here that is not like buffing the shadows out correctly. This is not, this looks like absolute crap, you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm thoroughly embarrassed to be putting this up with my eyes looking like this. Now I am using the Gerard eye base. I've been using it for a while. I did get this with a Midas Cosmetics PR, and I've been using it to see how I like it. Some days it works good, some days it's not as good. My P. Louise is always good though. So I am going to play around with this palette with my P. Louise and see if these shadows work better with that. But as of right now, this is blending terribly. Look at the lines of demarcation. And me trying to soften those lines up, for example, let's try and just do this one right here. It just doesn't, I'm very aggravated right now. This is not my normal blending skills, you guys. I'm trying and it's just not like deepening up evenly. It's not blending nicely. I'm just really unhappy with this look. I'm trying, but I'm very unhappy with it. So just know, this is not my best. I always like to give you guys my best, and I always like to give you easy tutorials to follow, but this one's just not it, you guys. This is just not it. Also, this purple here, Flora, I'm trying to put it on with a brush, and it is just not I don't know if I like these shadows, you guys. I'm just gonna try and put this on with my finger. Oh, it looks decent-ish. It looks like crap. Do you guys see that line there? Right there. It's like nothing sticks. I can't deepen it up. I can't smoke it out. I can't blend it out. This is just so muddy. Ugh. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face before I apply the blush and the highlighters. That's just what I like to do, and then I set my face one more time. So we are going to try this as a setting spray. It says that you can set your makeup with this. So let's see how this works. You do have to shake it up because there is like some kind of oil that's separated at the top. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. Oh, it's such like a light mist. Like, you can't even feel it. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, it's beautiful. It smells amazing. It actually smells exactly like their other products. I do have a mask and a moisturizer from them, and now I have this spray, and I think I got them all in Boxycharm. So I'm getting a whole little collection of this Glow Recipe watermelon skincare, and I'm okay with that. So here is this set. Now I do have the Jaclyn powder setting powder, which is like a luminous kind of finish, so you can see that when I move. It is very luminous. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I think it really just made everything look nice and crease free. So let's go ahead and use the blush. I am obsessed with Hourglass. Look at the size of this. It's huge. This is beautiful. This is diffused heat. This is my color, you guys. This like was made for me. I love warm tone blushes. I'm obsessed with warm tone blushes. And this is one of their beautiful, lightly, you know, dewy looking blushes, I bet. Let's see what this color looks like. So there is the blush. It is very beautiful. Actually on, it's like a salmon color, and this is the perfect color for me. So I have finished the look. It is, if this was blended better, I think this would be such a beautiful look. Now, this isn't me dogging on the palette at all, because it might just be this base for all I know. So I'm going to try this palette out with my normal P. Louise base and see if my blending seems to have the same issues with my P. Louise. I am going to do this exact same look for my Instagram. So this look should be up in a couple days on my Instagram. So we will see how much better it turns out with my P. Louise base rather than the Gerard. But other than that, the blush was absolutely beautiful. These colors are gorgeous. Like the actual color story is beautiful for warm toned eye looks. This reminds me of like the desert. It's just so beautiful and earthy. The setting mist smells amazing. And actually, it looks beautiful afterwards. I just set my face again, and my smile lines aren't that harsh. My forehead lines look really nice, like around my nose isn't cakey. So this might be something that I'm like, Holy Grail? Maybe? We'll see. But that also might be the Tarte base. I don't know. Either way, I have a pimple in the middle of my nose. It looks terrible. But you guys, that is all I have for this video. I'm sorry I was so mad about my blending. Y'all know I like to show you guys really beautiful looks, and when my blending's off, like my whole day gets ruined. I apologize. But that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!